Let's picture this together. You went to the market, you bought 3 pieces of plantain, 3 pieces of fried plantain, and then 2 pieces of fried fish for the price of 1,900 naira. And then your friend bought one fried plantain plus 3 pieces of fish for the price of 1,800 naira. Now I want to know the exact price of the plantain for one and the exact price of the fish for one. This is what is called simultaneous. So now, for solving a simultaneous equation, note that there are 5 steps to solving it. Yes, 5 steps. So today we are going to start with the first method, which is 5 method. So today we are starting with the first method, which is the substitution method. Now this is how substitution method works. Look at the both equations that you have, because this is equation 1 and the second is equation 2. So when you look at the both equations that you have, look out for the variable that has a coefficient of 1 and use it to solve as your equation 3. It's easier that way. So now it is a no-brainer here that equation 2 has a coefficient of 1. That's a p has a coefficient of 1. As such, we can easily work with equation 2, and that would now be that p it's equal to 1,800 minus 3f, and this now is equation 3. But mind you, that does not mean that if, assuming let's say here now was 2, you know that in this case there is none that has a coefficient of 1. In that case, use anyone you so desire to use, right? We're just looking for a simpler method to solving. Now this equation 3 we've got to put it into equation 2. What it simply means is anywhere you see p, put this value. That would now be that this become 3. In place of p, I'm writing 1,800 minus 3f. Then we'll still have plus 2f there. All is equal to 1,900. If we simplify for that, it's going to give us 5,400 minus, here will be 9f plus 2f. All is equal to 1,900, of which here would give us minus 7f will be equal to, when this crosses over, it becomes minus 3,500. From here we can divide both sides by minus 7, divide here also by minus 7. These cancel out this, and f will be equal to, minus cancel out minus 7 in 35 will give us 5, so 500. So the price of fish is 500 naira. So that is that for the first one. Now the second one would now be to get the value or to get the price of the plantain. We can put it back into equation 3. And what is equation 3? That p is equal to 1,800 minus 3f, and that would now be that p is equal to 1,800 minus 3 into 500. Therefore p it's equal to 1,800 minus 1,500, and the price of plantain would be 300 naira. So a piece of plantain is 300 naira and a piece of fried fish is 500 naira. Thank you for following today's class. Hope to see you in the next class. Bye for now.